Hi there, this is Biswas and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and I have the quick look on the Samsung Galaxy A50. At the price quoted here, it's around 21,000 but we will get it in around 20,000. Talking about the features, it has got the on-screen fingerprint scanner. At this budget range, it is good to have a on-screen fingerprint scanner, and we have got the triple camera setup and the Infinity U display. It's the 4 gigs and 64 GB storage. It comes with 6 GB and 64 GB. Let's quickly unbox it. And here's the case. Let me take it back. Let's quickly unbox it. And here are some cards, warranty cards, quick start guide, and the digital lock guide. And here's the TPU case. It's good to have a TPU case. And here's this phone itself, Samsung Galaxy A50. Let me keep it inside. Some of the specs: we get the Type C data cable. It's a Type C data cable. Just quickly take it out. It's a Type C data cable, as you can see that it's a Type C. And here's the earphones. It's the old earphone. It's not the standard earphone, but it's good to have this earphones. And here's the main charger. It's a 15-watt charger. As you can see, that's a 15-watt charger, and it's a fast charger. It's a fast charger. Let me bring the phone back. Samsung Galaxy A50. Talking about the phone, here's the Samsung Galaxy A50 with its matte design. At the bottom we get the noise cancellation mic. At the right we get the volume rockers and the power out of button. At the bottom we get the sprinkle grills, microphone, and the charging input and the microphone jack. At the left we get the SIM tray. There's a SIM tray over here. Let's quickly power it up. Powering it up, I will tell you some configurations. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is having the 6.4 Super AMOLED and Full HD Plus screen with the aspect ratio of 19:9:5. It has the new Exynos 9610 OC with the 10 nanometer process, and it also has the in-display fingerprint scanner. It comes on 4 or 6 GB of RAM storage and 64 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has the triple rear camera setup, 25 megapixel f1.7 aperture plus 8 megapixel for depth sensing, 5 megapixel for depth sensing, and 8 megapixel for wide angle. Moving to the front facing camera, it has the 25 megapixel shooter and the 4000 milliamp hour battery, and comes with the Samsung One UI. And the phone is booted up, set it up very quick. Talking about the settings, here's the going to the settings. About phone, software information. It is based on Android One UI. It's a Samsung One UI, and it comes with Android version 9. As you can see, it is a Android Pie. It's Android Pie. It's a Pie version. Backing to the phone, going back to the phone, here's some device care. At the memory, it's 64 GB internal memory, and it's checking up how much we have got the free space. Free space is around 40 GB, 49 GB. Out of 64 we get 49 GB of storage, 49 GB of storage. And here's the phone. It's the triple rear camera setup, and it has the Super AMOLED screen, and it's the One UI. It's the latest UI on the Samsung phone, as we get on the S10. Let's quickly look at the cameras. There are many modes, as you can see, that slow motion, hyperlapse, video, photo, focus, live focus pro, panorama. Let's take a photo. It's a 25 megapixel shooter. Let's take a photo of 25 megapixel shooter. Here's the phone itself. It's the standard mode. At the wide angle mode, as you can see that there is a small thing that is getting big. Is the photo of the Oppo. Quickly looking at it, at the details, it's very good. Talking about the wide angle camera, as you can see that it's very wide and it's very good. Talking about the front facing camera, is the 25 megapixel shooter and comes with 1.7 aperture. Going to the home, it's a very good handset at this price range. Let's go to the hood. It's the latest One UI, and here are some other specs. Here's the full brightness of this phone. It's very good enough, and nothing else. And here's the latest Bixby mode on the Samsung Galaxy A50. The Bixby mode. Here's the Bixby, one of the latest of the Samsung, and nothing else here. No more things. Talking about the settings, and we have the on-screen fingerprint scanner. Let's quickly look at that. And here's the as you can see that it's the screen fingerprint scanner. It's not the fastest one, it's slow, but it is good to have on screen fingerprint scanner. It's not the fastest but good. And we get the face unlock and other stuffs. Nothing else. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and comment.